Winning in business is like winning at chess. You need to think ahead, what's coming next, and adapt quickly. So, strategize your next move at the Global Alumni Winter Reunion. During the afternoon inspirational session, my colleague Robert Butte and myself will bring you insights on European sustainable growth strategies. Due to policies and regulations, changes in customer preferences and technological advances, today sustainability is an integral part of business. In the session, we will first provide insights on the mega trends that define European sustainable strategies, followed by the future of sustainable logistics. Keep changing the game and join us on December 2nd at the Global Alumni Winter Reunion.